Dear friends, my name is Dr. Roshan Lakho. I am family physician and skin specialist. I am working, my experience is about 30 years. Today we will talk about the poor sexual performance in the males. And there are many reasons, and everybody knows some chronic medical problems. They cause the poor performance, sexual performance. These are well known, like diabetes, hypertension, increased lipids, some psychiatric problems, depression, anxiety, and some medications like hypertensive medication, some psychiatric medication. These all cause, the poor sexual performance. But today I will talk about those who have no any these problems, no chronic disease, but still they have poor performance. So there are 7 reasons I will tell you why these people have poor performance because of these 7 reasons. After that, I will tell you how to overcome these 7 reasons, how to treat these people. There are about 10 ways we can treat them, where we can give them good advice to improve their sexual performance. Number one cause of poor sexual performance is the use of drinking things like water and this in plastic bottles. Plastic bottles contain bisphenol A. This substance is causes increased estrogen level in the body, and the estrogen is a hormone for females. So when your hormone female is increase, this will affect your poor performance. So this is number one reason that people now most commonly they use plastic bottles for everything, for tea, for drinking, and this. So this is the number one thing. Number two is the obesity or overweight. If you are obese, overweight, this is a main problem for poor sexual performance, because the fat cells which are in our body, they excrete aromatase, aromatic compound. This converts our testosterone to the estrogen. So the testosterone is the hormone, male hormone. Mostly they have most common and high concentration in the males. Although female have also, but it is a very low concentration. This is the main hormone which helps our sexual performance. So these, the overweight people, they have this compound called aromatase. This converts testosterone to the estrogen and causes poor performance. So better you have to decrease your weight. There are about the many ways I will tell you later on. After that, the third factor is poor sleep. If you have poor sleep and you sleep less than 8 hours or 7 hours, then it causes problem with your sexual performance. So this is main third other reason. Fourth is dietary factors. They say if you consume low fat, it is also because this are hormones, they are made from cholesterol. So if you take low fat diets, this will decrease your performance. So we have to take fat, and I will tell you what type of fats you have to take. Then soya products, those things which contain soya, it is they say the soya also increases the estrogen. So avoid soya products, any milk, soya milk or soya beans, everything, or some extracts of these things which are used in the food. Then the things like sometimes the other vitamins which low levels of which decrease your poor performance, causes poor performance, like zinc, vitamin E, vitamin C. These things causes also affect your sexual performance. Then stress is very important. If you have a stress, it decreases your poor performance, because stress of anything about your job or anything, and sometimes if you have poor sleep, maybe due to stress, these all they both increase the chances of poor performance. So stress, you have to relax, don't take stress seriously. If you have stress, you go for some relaxation therapies which I will tell you. in the management of this. Then is alcohol consumption. Alcohol you have to take in the limits, because alcohol consumption can also affect your performance if you take in the out of limits. Then beer is also very dangerous. Beer should not be taken at all. They say it has HAPOS substance which causes decrease the performance of the sex. So beer should not be taken, but alcohol you can take in the limits. After that, number 7 is asexuality. It means if you all these factors they multiply and causes the poor lipido, poor performance. So these are the friends, all the 7 reasons which are the cause of poor performance, poor sexual performance in the patient who have even no chronic diseases. So I think now I will tell you the 10 ways how to we can increase our sexual performance. And number 1, you have to avoid the plastic bottles, because these plastic bottles they and use glass or stainless steel for drinking, for everything. So avoid plastic bottle. Number 2, how to improve, you avoid soya products, which I told you before. Any soya seeds, soya milk, soya some extracts of soya used in the some chutneys like this. Then avoid beer, don't take beer, and limit alcohol use. But they say if you instead of alcohol you can take vodka, that has a less effect on the sexual performance, but should be limited in the limits. Then sleep in the dark room. Number 5, sleep in the dark room for at least 7 to 8 hours, and should have good sleep. It will increase your sexual performance. Reduce stress. For that you have to do some relaxation, like walking, exercise, yoga, and something and some the things which relax you. Some for you can go some, like Muslims, they go for salah, for namaz, they go in the mosque and they do exercise which relaxes them, reduces the stress. For other people, they go their own church or anything, they reduces the stress. And this when you reduce the stress, this will be very helpful for performance of your sex. Then increase the consumption of zinc. I told you zinc deficiency also causes poor performance. So there say most there are beef, poultry, these things have a lot of zinc, but this beef and poultry and taking a lot is also not healthy. So nuts are very good, and so you have to take nuts, lot of nuts. These are very good, and they will increase your zinc. And then consumption of healthy fats. I told you the low fats diet also causes the low testosterone, and this will cause poor performance. So you have to take the some fats, but healthy fats. What are healthy fats? Like olive oil, plant-based fats, olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and these are all good oils you can take, no problem. And you have to take, because if you avoid taking oils, that will decrease your testosterone, which is the main hormone responsible for your sexual performance. And in this way you can have the healthy sexual life. If you will act on these factors I told you how to improve this. And this is only for those people, those who have no chronic disease. Even those who have chronic disease and poor performance, this will also help them. And they should treat their also conditions, chronic condition, along with these advices which I have given you, about 10 advices, and the factors which I told you, it decreases the sexual performance. So you should take care of these factors. That's the end. Thank you very much.